Yo, Alfred, give me a sound effect for forest. Like the grass on forest. Now, I want you to give me a sound effect for when I go on walls. Okay. Okay, Alfred, we're gonna do it, buddy. Let's go. So grass, let's go. Walls, bro?